Hi everyone, I would like to give you a mini tour of Courtyard Hotel in South Africa. This is not a paid advert. I stayed there for a couple of days and I loved the room I was assigned, and I decided to make this video. You have a little dining area here. Then you have something like kitchenette with sink, the coffee maker, kettle, microwave, tumblers, plates. Then this storage here, we have mugs, plates. Then I think this is a sugar candle, sweetener, so to speak. Then this is a hotel, but you can actually cook your food here using the microwave. You can warm your food, you can buy something and warm in the microwave. It's not like other hotels whereby they want you to eat from their restaurant. They have restaurant downstairs and you have your sink where you can wash your plates. This is the dustbin, more storage here. Then you have a drawer for cutlery set. This is for other stuff. You can arrange other stuff here. Then bigger storage for, they have toaster here. Wow, that's interesting. You can buy bread and toast for yourself, and you got a fridge here. Okay, they put some water for me and juice. Okay, that's great. Then this is the coffee maker. Then this is a dining table for two, you and your love, or me and my love. Unfortunately, my darling did not come, so I'm going to enjoy it all alone. They have this picture of a musician hung on the wall. They have another picture of a CD. I think it's Sunday Market, Rosebank. I think it's straight around here because this area is Rosebank. Then they have this table lamp for better illumination or more lighting. Then there's another vanity table here for makeup, which is good though. And what I like about this place is that the wood is portraying African, the normal Iroko wood that we use in making furniture in Africa. So to me, it speaks more of African culture here. Then here they have a stand for the console for the television, which is a big, the same wood as the chair. Then they have very mighty storage here. I don't know what they want somebody to put in here. The first time I saw it, it's like double tiered locker, but at the end of the day, it's one big locker. They have different channels. Let me flip through. This is Z World. What's this? I think MTV. I think they have what's this one? I don't even know. They have CNN, Sky News, Al Jazeera. Okay, this is DSTV and others. DSTV, South Africa is the home of multi-choice, so I'm not surprised. You have the wallflowers. I stand in here, everything green. The chair, armchair to rest, with footstool. Then here you have your air conditioner stroke heater. I think it's dual, depending on the temperature of the room. Then you have the intercom, the table lamp, side table, small drawer, and the bigger drawer here. Then you have a bed, double bed. You have double bed here. Then you have another mirror here, and this is the wardrobe. Another side table here. Okay. The room looks very cozy. These are my belongings. They left one bottle of water here for me. This is it. And a glass cup. The name of the hotel, Courtyard Hotel in Rosebank, South Africa. It's a very cozy place. Very quiet, calm, and lovely place. In the morning, I'll give you a better view of the hotel because I just arrived this night. I just want to make this video quickly. This room tour. This is the wardrobe. And then in the wardrobe, You have an ironing board, pillow, blanket, more storage, safe in case you have valuable, you can store it away. Then there's another mirror here, that's interesting. Then the laundry bag. This is the first time I'm seeing iron in a hotel room. That means they don't really care. You can iron, you don't need to use their laundry. You can wash your clothes in the bathroom here and use the iron to press your clothes. But anyway, I'm just kidding, but those some people can do it. I don't know why they left the iron. I've never seen it in any hotel. But this is South Africa though. Maybe that's their own way of doing things. Then this bathtub. I love it. With lots of towels. I love towels. Most especially in hotels. I like when I enter a hotel. In my room, you have lots of towels. Okay, you have small one, big one. And this one here, I believe this one will be for the floor. Okay, to keep the floor dry. This is the wash hand basin where you brush your teeth, 2 glass cup, serviettes. Then you have soap, shower cap, hand cream, and other stuff. Since for people that want to shave, you can use your shaver there. It's really nice and comfortable. I like this, the way the room is. It's very comfy. It's just portable. Everything is in the room. Everything you want is in the room. Okay? Apart from the food stuff and the food, you can go and buy, and you end up warming your food there. I like the layout of the room. It's very good for a professional, single professional. I love it. Okay, so that's it. Tomorrow I'll give you the view, the outside view of the room. See you. Good night. Is the view from the balcony. What a great view. Let me open this door. Thank you for watching. Leave your comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.